Hello, welcome back. My name is Courtney, and I'm technically eating overnight oats right now, but they're really cold, and I don't like cold stuff on my teeth. Anyway, so I just got my order from Glam. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can we see it? Glam Cosmetics. They are a small Latino-owned brand, and their biggest thing is their Glam Vice eyeliners, which I got the full collection and a brush that came with it, and I bought another brush. So I bought two brushes. I think I spent $62 with the brand, which I was like, it's not bad. And each of these little ice creams comes with 4 of their retro liners, which I will swatch for you, but I'm gonna put these loud things down. And their retro liners, I believe, are their pastel colors. I'm trying to turn them so you can see them. They do not look appealing when I do this, but here we go. So we have like a pink, a neon, a nude camel kind of color, and a white in this box. And then in the more SpongeBob looking box, we have, it's blue on the inside. I like the little worms match too. And inside we have some more cool tones, another kind of lime green. Maybe the other one was a yellow, or this one's a yellow. A blue, teal, a blue, and then a purple. And then I got 2 of their brushes, which, let's try to open them. Or are they already open? They are open. Excellent. I think I got the 1, and I think it came with the 1 brush. And then I bought the 2 brush, because the 2 brush is like a little bit thinner and more liner-y. I picked up the 2 brush more than the 1 brush, but the 1 brush came with it. The 1 brush is shorter, for some reason. I guess because it comes with the kit. And then the 2 brush is like a long, thinner striping kind of brush. And the 1 brush kind of looks like every other liner brush I've bought. We're probably going to be rocking with the 2 brush today. So we should go ahead and try to swatch them, shouldn't we? Today's look is, I have no idea. I was going through all my inspo pics because I keep inspo pics on my phone and in my Instagram. And, I couldn't find anything I really wanted to do, like desperately, like this is what I want and need and everything. They have all the names. And to be quite honest, I probably still won't later. This packaging is kind of cute. I wonder if I can repurpose it to like hold the actual liners later. But let's get started. This is not going to be a perfect rainbow because I don't remember how the order for the rainbow goes. I have a cup of water here in front of me, and I'm going to use the 2 brush and just dip it in the water. And it feels like it's thick. I'm going to just open one up. So this is the texture inside before use. It's like a flat waffle press texture. These are water activated liners. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the brush in it and start making like a little puddle until I pick up some product. Literally, I feel like water activated liners so far have been stupid proof for me. It's dip brush in water, apply brush to surface, keep playing around. So this is the first swatch of the white, which is called Skate Date. It was not in any way difficult to pick up or apply. Gonna move on to Peaches and Cream, which is I don't know if I'm gonna do some peach color pot. The peach has a definite good white base in it, but I think I used too much water in this swatch. I'm gonna pick it up with less water on the brush and swatch again. Okay, so this is 2 swatches. This is 2 swatches of Peaches and Cream. The peach color kind of comes off like white and murky on me, to be honest, but it's fine. Next is Pink Velvet. Doesn't come off there. Pink Velvet's in like a neon pink. Every time I touch water to these, they turn a little bit. I'll show you right now. So inside the pot, you're going to notice a little lighter spot. That's where I touch water to it, and that part turns lighter. I question if it's because the product's wet and has a white base because they're pastels, or if I have white still on the brush from swatching. And so here is the pink, I already forgot what it was called, Pink Velvet. And we move on. I'm hungry. Overnight oats are one of those things where you have to make it and get used to it. I made them really sweet, but I like sweet. They're a touch too sweet, but I like it. I got excited about eating. I forgot what I was. So this one is banana split. So this one is the neon yellow or pastel yellow. It's already been used. I just did now. Alright, I did banana split right in the middle here, but next to the pink one. just because the next one's gonna be purple and I wanted it to look semi-nice. I mean, all these colors are definitely pastel. A second pass like that, making it thicker, does definitely bring the color out more. I would say the yellow has like a green tinge to it almost, which may, depending on what look you're doing, may not be what you were looking for, in your own opinion. One of my favorite like graphic liner peoples on social media, she's doing a series based on Animal Crossing characters, and I was like, I could do that, but like my favorite characters are like Stitches, and the new guy Raymond's so cool. Like I really would love to have him living in my island. I have some really cool people right now. I'm like, you know, I'm like, oh, there's so many characters to like love, to be out here trying to pick one to put on your eyes. We are working with Gelato, which is the purple, which you already know is now my favorite because it is purple. Go ahead and swatch that. They look better dry, and Gelato swatched amazingly. So that's Gelato at the very end. I think Gelato, that was one swipe too. Gelato swatches amazingly. That was beyond amazing swatch, Gelato. There's a reason why I like it better. Let's go ahead into a blue, and this is blue raspberry. Ba-bam. Blue raspberry. Remember when we were kids and the commercials had the flavors, had like personalities, and we was just out here like, no, I'm a blue raspberry. Blue raspberry is the best, yada, yada, yada. That's what we used to be. Now it's, did you sign the petitions? If you didn't sign the petitions, we can't talk for like a week. And this is blue raspberry. I find that the more pigmented colors are coming out in better swatches. So this is blue raspberry at the end. It is definitely a light blue kind of color. I like it. I think it's cool. Like I'm not, the only color I really am not liking was the peach, but when it dries it looks more peach and less white, so I can forgive it, I guess. The other blue is gonna be Ice Pop. Ice Pop is supposed to be a more lighter pastel blue, I guess. We'll find out right now. Oh, it's tealish too. My bad. I should have said it's a more teal pastel blue. And that is, I've already forgotten what it's called. Let me see if I can rotate this. Ice Pop! This is Ice Pop. Ice Pop is definitely teal. And all these, I'm just using like a little, the smallest bit. Like literally the brush is not dripping or anything. There's just some water in the actual brush to pick up the color. This last one is going to be key lime. Ooh, I love key lime pie. If you haven't had good key lime pie, I mean, y'all need to go have some or make it. One thing I love is like baking, like on the side. That's my like thing when I'm happy. When I'm like, if I'm baking, I'm happy. I can't stress bake. It always comes out really weird. Everyone says it tastes good, but I always just, it's like I look at it like it's an abomination, and I always get really upset about it. All right, and this last line is going to be key lime, and it is a lime green kind of color. So with all these in mind, some people do like rainbows, like on their eyes will do like a rainbow. The problem with me trying to do a rainbow is that these all have to be in order, which I know they're already not. And two, I don't know if I could draw that many straight lines that look right, in my opinion. But now that I think about it, I think I could do it right here from the bottom of my brow to my lash line. I saw some people do some rainbow looks like that, but with eyeshadows, and I thought those were fire. But now I'm thinking, what if we do it, but with liners? I'm seeing something here. So I have them in the closest to Roy G. Biv to get, so in order that's mostly in line with the swatches. So starting with Pink Velvet, Peaches and Cream, Banana Split, Key Lime, Ice Pop, Blue Raspberry, and then finishing off with Gelato, and that will be our, and we're going to skip, obviously, Skate Date since it's white liner. Prices. Completely forgot prices. I don't know where I'm going to edit this in at. Don't start with me. So the Glam liner set in total for all 8 shades and the liner was $60, $62. United States dollar. Shipping I think was free because I spent so much. And then the liners individually, so say you just want gelato or you just want pink velvet, they're $8 each, so they're sold individually. The set bundle usually sells out really fast, but the individual shades you might not be able to find. Like some of them are like really hot versus other ones. The more pastel, the more likely they are to get scooped up. I got the set because I didn't know what colors I was gonna want and need. The white skate date is pretty nice, so especially if you were trying to get the Anastasia liner, this is $8. I believe the brushes each, if you just want to buy brushes from them, the 002 brush is $5. So their website's really affordable. And then if you buy a set, then you're already on the free shipping, and they can kind of just throw on top whatever you want. Shipping was really, really fast. I think I got it within a week of ordering it. And I ordered it when everybody was ordering. They use Shop for the shipping, and Shop is like an app that you can use to track anything that they use as Shop or Arrive, and it'll tell you when it's going to show up. It tracks it. It gives you a map, and you can have it all in one app. That's what I'm currently using for my online shopping, so I know where it is before it gets to my doorstep, so I can hide the package. I'm joking. I'm not hiding packages for my husband. I don't care. It's my money. I spent it. Done. This is the finished look. So these were the Glam Vice retro liner collection with the 02 brush. I didn't use the 01 brush at all. I just think that it's like every liner brush that you get like in a liner brush in a brush set. It's stubby, it's not very tapered, and then it's short in body, and I don't like it. But that's okay because I bought another one. I do like doing graphic liner. Even if I'm not good at it, I feel like this is just really fun to learn and try and everything. At work, people are like, ooh, what did you do today? I feel like I might just do this kind of rainbow concept with less of the colors because some of them are redundant. And then just do it under my brow because I can follow that line a lot easier. And I might be able to do something over here. But either way, y'all hung out with me, and I appreciate that. If you guys want to keep hanging out with me in the next video, I appreciate that as well in advance. If you want to subscribe, that's your own prerogative. And I'll see you guys in the next one if I do. Bye.